That's good.
So tonight we decided we were gonna do, I guess it's a bit of a special dinner, but you know, maybe it's just dinner for some people. We're gonna do a really basic fire roasted chicken with fire roasted vegetables in about as simple a method as I can come up with, because I didn't look it up or anything. I just decided that this is what we're gonna do, and I've cooked outside before and I've done a chicken in different ways. So we came up with our own way. There's no, I don't think, right or wrong way to do it. Do it however you see fit. What I'm gonna use tonight, 2 sharp sticks of about this length, just enough to get over the fire. They're green, so they won't immediately catch fire, but left long enough over the fire, they will burn. I have a high smoke point oil, salt and pepper, 1 chicken, 2 little onions, the stuff in the chicken, bit of garlic, an eggplant, sweet potato, and squash. Also a couple little implements, may need those. Gloves to handle the fire, axe to make those sharp sticks. You'll spend maybe 50% of your time building a camp making sharp sticks. This pot just to hold some stuff while I mix it. And then we have also cook's best friend for long hours around the fire in the evening. Always helps with a hungry belly. So yeah, and I think you had a quick look at the little apparatus that I rigged up over here. This is obviously just a fire reflector, bit of a tripod for the hot water. But for what we're gonna do, it's super simple. Used one of these stakes, put an extra stake, ran a stick. We'll take the vegetables and the chicken, lay it across here, and then just manually move it around over the fire. One particular thing, it is chicken. Do want to make sure the chicken's done. 2 ways that I do that. Check the meat right near the thigh. See if there's a clear juice or light pink juice coming out, nothing too pink. Chicken can be pink and done. The other way I'm gonna use is to kind of just give it a poke. If it's not jiggly or soft, a bit firm but not hard, likely done. If it's hard, it's likely dry and overdone. But that's about it. The only other thing you need is fire and time. Rub, rub, rub. Do the underside in a minute once it's on the stick. All right, Joey's gonna help me a sec.
Tell me how much you need.
Just go for it. Yeah. The salt has been in my backpack for a while, and it's also mixed with pepper. That is another story. And you can be really liberal. There we go, that's enough. And then I'm gonna sit and really rub it in. Sure. All over the place.
Want some more pepper? Or?
Yeah, we can do some more pepper, sure.
I like pepper.
I do too. I think everybody likes a little bit. The pepper will scorch on the chicken, but I think it makes a lovely flavor. All right, that's probably good. Give it a pat. I'm gonna leave it trussed up with the stuff from the store because it's fairly heat resistant and it's just easier. I think you can put apples, all kinds of crap in here, but we haven't. No giggling, this is serious business. And there we go. About there. So, chicken is cooking away. Had to come up with a way to keep it from sliding around when we turned it. Just tied it really tightly with a couple sticks. Keeping the fire really low for fear of burning the string or for burning this. Also, the potato and the zucchini, we're not going to deal with this size of a stick because they were just, this isn't soft. This wasn't soft enough, so I decided to just stake them in the ground in front, and then when I feel the need, I will just give them a little quarter turn like so, and then we're in business. Eggplant, just as you see it, we're just gonna do it like that. Keep the fire low, keep things juicy and nice. That's about it.
Awesome.
And then yeah, we're just wedging it in here to hold it steady, because as you can see, this stick isn't exactly how we want it. It's not straight, but I can manipulate it like so. Relative ease.
Starting to look good, eh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's getting there.
Wonderful.
Surprised that rope held out. Just kept hitting it with water though. Still a couple spots. It's, you know, it's nearly through, I think.
You can see onions in there.
Yeah. Hopefully they're nice and cooked, soft, and keeping this bird juicy. Oh. She's done. Let's have a look.
Here, grab my knife.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Clear juice. I'm cutting to the bone, and yeah, that's done. We cut the back there. You can't see. Which one was it? Cut into that one a bit. Checked it out. Fully done. Lovely. Let's try it. Joey?
Put the light on me.
How's that?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, jeez. It's a strong chicken, eh? It's nighty-night time. It's been raining on and off, so we made a little setup. I don't know if you can see it. Lights out. Can't really see it. Anyway, to ensure that we have coals ready and easily lit in the morning, I'm gonna wake up at around midnight, and again at 4, put a little wood on the coals, hopefully keep them going, so lighting a fire in the morning is easy. Night, everybody. We're gonna say night night, Joey. Night night. Night night. Are you sure? Yeah? How's that? You like that? It's good. It's good.